Hello from Tosh Tyres. I've got a Renault Modus here on a 2004 plate. I'm just going to show you how to remove the rear tail light and to put it back on as well. I've already done it, but I'm just going to show you how it's done. Basically, the reason we changed it, as you can see right here, the cluster on the back is all burnt out. So what was happening was every time we were braking or indicating, multiple lights would turn on. I've fixed that problem already by replacing the cluster, and that's all done now. But to do it, it's quite a simple procedure. You see on the back there, you've got a 10mm nut. That 10mm nut you need to undo. Once you've done that, you only need a 10mm spanner, which is one of these, if you've got one. If no, then get a socket, some small socket, and then do it with that. But these are flexible, so they can push back. Yeah, so I'll just show you once I've undone this. Just give me 1 second. So mate, when you do take the screw out, just be careful. You don't want to sort of kind of drop it in. Right, now that got it out, all I now do is gently pull this out towards me. That's it. So these are the two lugs. There's one here, there's one at the bottom. That's what holds it in place. You've got this little plug here. All you do is push it forward and then gently pull the whole thing out. Once the whole thing out, that's it. And this is the new one. Now on these ones, as you can see, these are pretty good, but the plug where the old one we took out, the cluster we took out, it damaged the second one from the right. So what I've done is I pulled it back out, and now it's good. Same thing again, put it back together, make sure it goes in. So there's only one way the plug would go in. Sorry, just recording and doing two things at once is never great. I then slot it in. That's it, and then put this 10mm nut back on. That's all you got to do on this particular model. This is if you've got one of them and you've got a problem with the rear lights, you know what to do. Thank you very much. Goodbye.